Hello students, this video lecture is for class 8, subject science, lesson first, and this is your fifth video. In the last video we have discussed about diseases in animals, especially in domesticated animals, and in this video we are going to discuss about poultry. So let's start. The practice of keeping and breeding chickens and other domesticated fowls is known as poultry. Other birds commonly bred as geese, turkey and ducks. So poultry is the occupation or practice of keeping and breeding chickens and other domesticated birds, and few common examples are geese, turkey and ducks. Now let's see what are the food they get in the poultry to eat. So feed of poultry chicken. The common poultry feeds are grains. Main thing is grains and wet mixture or messes. These birds need hard grit or stones in their food, which is used for grinding food. So the main common feeds in the poultry are grains, which are normally mixed, wet and mixed. These birds also need stones in their food, so that when the food gets inside their stomach, it gets grind well. Now let's move to the next page. Calcium carbonate present in some grits or the feed forms egg cells. Hens need a lot of water. If they do not have enough water, they may lay lesser number of eggs. So what we get from this paragraph is that hens eat grains in the poultry forms and mixture of grains which is wet, and also they need stones or grits. Now what is grits? Grits are the small pebbles or crushed stones which is used by the hens to grind their food in their stomach, because hens do not have teeth, so whatever they eat, it is not grind properly. So hens eat food and also stones, and that stones help them to crush that food, which is later going to be digested easily by the intestine of the chicken. And few grits have calcium carbonate in that, which is helpful in making the egg shell. And hens also need a lot of water, and if they do not get enough water, they may lay lesser number of eggs. Now let's move to the next point, laying of eggs. Hens being laying eggs at the age of 6 months. It means a hen starts to lay egg at the age of 6 months. An egg laying bird is called broody hen. Rhode Island Red, Black Minorca and HH260 are the high yielding breeds of hen. HH260 is named so because it can lay up to 260 eggs in 12 months. The eggshell is made of calcium carbonate. Inside the cell is a white portion called albumin. In the center of the albumin is a yellow portion called yolk. So here are few examples of egg laying hens, such as Rhode Island Red, Black, Minorca and HS260, and the highest yielding among them is HS260 because it can lay 260 eggs in 12 months. And the white portion inside the cell of egg is called albumin, and in the center of that albumin is a yellow portion known as yolk. Now, how to test whether an egg is good or unfit? So we can test the quality of an egg in the following ways. Let's see. First one, see the egg against any source of light. The inner material may move to one side and may appear transparent. If so, it is an infertile egg. On the other hand, if the egg has dark round body in the center, it is a fertilized egg. Put the egg in warm water. If it floats, it is a spoiled egg. If it settles at the bottom of the water, it is a good quality egg. So in the first case, we have to test, take an egg and put it in front of a light source such as a light bulb or sun, and if it appears almost transparent, then it is infertile egg, and if it has a dark round body in the center, then it is a fertilized egg. And second point is, if you put egg in a warm water, if it floats, it is a spoiled egg. If it settles at the bottom of the water, then it is a good quality egg. Now, in the next paragraph, diseases in poultry birds. The germs of cholera, chickenpox, etc. infect the poultry birds. Roundworms cause diseases of the digestive tract. Ticks and mites also affect the birds. So these are few diseases which can cause trouble to the poultry birds. So this is enough for this video, and in the next video we will be talking about fisheries. Thank you.